Anong 3 qualities kailangan ng LTO chief para umayos ang LTO ng Pilipinas? Para hindi sumakit ang ulo ng mga katulad natin na may-ari ng sasakyan. 3 qualities, sir.
I'll answer this way. Yung una, what he should not be.
Yes.
Okay. He should not be a political appointee. Napakalaki po ng problema natin. Pwede
Yes.
ba? Mamili
Yes.
naman tayo the most competent, the most qualified to fix the problem. Para
Yes.
wala nang vested interest, please.
Okay.
Napakalaki po ang problema ng LTO. Please, Mr.
What
President,
political?
Secretary Dizon, wag po sana ang political appointee.
Yes.
Okay. Second,
Number 2.
dapat problem solver.
Yes.
Napalaki ang problema. I just told you the scale of the problem.
Not problem creator.
You should, hindi naman kailangan IT expert yung head. Kailangan nakakaintindi how IT is used in government.
Yes.
It doesn't need to be an IT expert. Kailangan naintindihan yung IT. And I can say ASEC Edgar Galvante, my boss, was that. He did not claim he knew IT. That's why he hired professionals like us to help him.
Yes.
In-acknowledge niya, hindi ako magaling dito. I need good people.
Yes.
Diba? I think the present ASEC should also hire good people to help him. He cannot claim he knows IT. The recent issue withdraw is already a good example of that. Diba? You cannot issue memos because you don't know the problem you're trying to solve.
Number 3.
The 3 is, let me tell this story because I think
Yes.
this is what it should be. About 4 years ago, I visited the head of a government agency.
Yes.
Nag-urgent call ako. Umupo ako sa table niya. Nandun yung kanyang, yung head niya. Okay. Nandun yung pangalan niya. Sa ilalim nung title niya, I was expecting the agency name. Okay.
Yes.
Yun ang expectation ko. Anong nakalagay sa ilalim? Public servant. Okay, so please, Secretary Dizon, Mr. President, pwede ba lahat ng heads ng agencies nyo, hindi po yung title secretary, ang title nila public servant, diba? Tayo ang boss eh. You're there to serve our needs. So, the next LTO chief, the number 1 quality aside from integrity, he is a public servant. Okay, he is servicing us, kapakanan natin. Public convenience po ang dapat isipin nyo. And I think again, sorry sa Secretary Vince is the model of a good public servant. Always in the streets. Hindi siya nagpe-press release. People write about his good things. Compare that with the current LTO chief. Puro press release. Nilaunch ko to. Ano nangyari? Nakatulong pa sa atin? Diba? Public servants, please. We need good public servants like Secretary Vince. So he is the epitome of a good public servant.